जब एक्टर्स की जो लाइफ होती है, क्योंकि हमें ऑफिस स्ट्रक्चर सैलरी स्लिप नहीं होता हर महीने का, सैलरी स्लिप नहीं होता, फिक्स पेमेंट नहीं आती. I've actually done bungee jumping thrice.
Oh.
Once I also had an accident. Even a person with a 20,000 monthly salary na is still a safe bet for a bank. When are you going to settle down? This is what settling down means.
Actually, so
your
true.
roti, kapda, makan.
This is Nawaz Kochra joining on Indian Express, and I'm in conversation with Sumona Chakravarti, who is all ready to take on some amazing khatras.
Thank you.
Well, I want to begin asking you, was it a very tough decision to...
Not at all.
Not at all?
Not at all.
So,
I've been wanting to... I always thought that if I ever do a reality show, I mean, of course, people have offered in the past, others, and I was always like, no, because I don't want, I like to keep my private life and my work life really separate. But I always thought if I ever do, this is probably a show that I would, and I'm glad it's worked out that way. Because I think इस शो का जो essence है ना, the stunts, the adventure, it plays a very big role in my life, because I've had adventure as part of my life in my personal life anyways. So I'm like, ये reality show का reality show भी हो जाएगा. Also, I will be able to, satisfy my love for adventure.
But कितनी चीजें bucket list में tick होगी after this?
वो तो I'm really looking forward to doing a car stunt, to be very honest, because I love cars, I love driving, going on road trips, which is very different from doing a car stunt. So yeah, मैं तो रोहित सर को बोलूँगी सर मुझे ले लो फिल्म में, वो एक कार तो उड़ाने दो मेरे को. So yeah, I think car stunt and just doing these stunts with, I don't know, when they do it with like cheetahs and stuff like that. I'm really looking forward to that.
Let me tell you, one season Haina has been on the show.
Yeah, I know, I saw that, but of course a Haina, obviously you'll do that, or because I've been a part of few safaris and all of that, so I've had a lion very, very up close and personal. Like I was like, क्योंकि पता है वो suddenly camera में लगे कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं पास आ गया, मैंने तो zoom भी नहीं किया, only to realize it's right there, literally. And even like India, I went for a safari in Tadoba. All I had to do was probably put my hand out and the hand would have gone with the tiger. It was that close. So I've had some close encounters with animals, but doing up safari में जाना और stunt करने में बहुत फर्क है. तो मैंने एक side देखा है. I really want to see the other side. So I want to experience it, is what I'm trying to say.
But ऐसे कोई phobias या fears है that
not really. मतलब अब lizard किसको पसंद है? Like, have you ever come across anyone say, oh, I love lizards? Nobody loves them. So yeah, I mean, I don't want to put like weird things in my mouth. Obviously, that's not a nice feeling.
Right.
But yeah, it's not about. So I think insects and all का phobia नहीं है, but it's just about, like. नहीं होगा तो better है.
Yuck factor.
Yeah, it's a yuck factor, So. Like the international format में I know they used to कुछ भी like you had to also consume, they were smoothie बना के दे देते and all that. I know I'll throw up then if I'm doing that.
Also, Sumona, what's been the craziest adventure you've done to date?
Crazy, I've actually done bungee jumping thrice. Once I also had an accident. Almost broke my shoulder. So yeah, that's a very old thing. I've done skydiving. So I've done all of this in Switzerland. I've done an adventure sports based travel show actually. So that's how I literally did my bucket list over there pretty much. And and I go to Rishikesh quite often at Shivpuri for whitewater rafting. So yeah, some of the rafting trips have been very crazy, where my entire raft has gone flipped completely in the air, like completely upside down in a rapid. But I enjoy it.
But Rishikesh is known for some scary river rafting.
Yeah. So I've been doing that for a few years now. और वहाँ पे एक जो stretch है, एक stretch आता है, it's called only golf course and all. तो वहाँ पे जितने भी non-swimmers हैं पहले उतार देते हैं, because it is a very risky rapid, and if you're not a swimmer तो थोड़ा सा you can get like hassled. and you could drown, or you could hit a rock or whatever, because that's how rapids are formed. There are rocks underneath. So yeah, I mean, my entire raft flipped upside down.
Oh my God.
Completely.
But you were not injured in it, I hope.
No, never. But is that वही ना कि मतलब एक current आपके मुंह पे आ रहा है, presence of mind, डूबना, ये पत्थर से बचना, all
और
of
वो
that.
rapid में the pressure of water
Yeah.
is too much.
और फिर invariably आपके साथ कोई और होता है शायद जो आपको पकड़ ले क्योंकि उसको डर लग रहा है, तो how to, you know, all of that. So
True. Also, you know, life is an adventure.
biggest.
Yeah, exactly. But ऐसे जिंदगी में ऐसे कोई moment रहा है where you know you probably perceive it as the biggest khatra or the nightmare or some fear that you know you probably come out.
An adventure that life has thrown towards me.
Yeah, a khatra you've overcome and you know surprised yourself, or a fear or something like that. You know, probably that you look back today and probably pat yourself on the back for dealing with it the way you did.
Honestly, there have been so many. I think I'm really thinking, because my entire life journey has been about so many things that, you know, har bar it hits a shot and I'm like, you know, the angle keeps changing. But I think on a very relatability factor, I don't know kitna khatra hoga, kitna khatra,
Right.
but just a curveball that life throws at you. So I bought my first house when I was 26 years old.
Wow.
And a simple small apartment in Bombay. And everybody knows in the country or worldwide the real estate in Bombay. It's crazy, you know, like the kind of money we spend here on a 1 BHK, we could live like a lavish lifestyle even Gurgaon or anywhere else. So I think, and you पता है जब actors की जो life होती है, क्योंकि हमें ऑफिस स्ट्रक्चर सैलरी स्लिप नहीं होता हर महीने का, यू नो, सैलरी स्लिप नहीं होता, फिक्स्ड पेमेंट नहीं आती. हमेशा बोलते हैं ना, एक्टर्स बेसिकली वी गेट पेड फॉर द टाइम दैट वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू बी वर्किंग, इज व्हाट आई हैव रियलाइज्ड आफ्टर बीइंग इन द बिजनेस फॉर मोर देन 18 इयर्स. हम जो कमाते हैं ना पर डे और पर प्रोजेक्ट और व्हाटएवर, all that money is basically for the time that you're not going to be working.
Right.
Technically. So, you know, I still remember how the bank guys, and as much as they were my fans and they admired me and they were like, you know, ma'am, we know आप शायद ऐसे आप चुका दो, but you know, it's just that you're not from corporate और आपका वो एक fixed monthly salary नहीं है. Like even a person with a 20,000 monthly salary ना is still a safe bet for a bank as an institution banking than somebody who's this, because this is a risk. This is very high risk. So I know, you know, as an actor, when we have EMIs to pay off, and I still remember when I finally because of COVID, there was a bit of a setback because the industry wasn't working. So every time, you know, you build, I don't come from a business class family. So I have built everything myself from scratch. So, you know, when COVID sets you back, you go back to scratch, you again build up. And then finally, when I was able to close my home loan, honestly, I think by far that has really been my biggest achievement, honestly.
Wow.
Because you have financial setbacks, you know, COVID really, you know, like life really throws massive curveballs. And these are so life has thrown many such curveballs to me.
True.
But this, I think the reason why I'm sharing it also is because people will relate to this
and
a
it's
lot.
such a big dream, you know, for anybody to have their own
So,
house.
you know, again, मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ एक लड़की के लिए ना, especially girls in our country, आप शादी के लिए, I mean, depending on whatever you want to, of course, that's your choice. But I always say, एक अपना छत, irrespective मतलब क्या size है, छोटा बड़ा नहीं, एक अपना छत अपने नाम पे होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. You need to have, इसे हम कहते हैं, when, you know, girls get asked this question, or I get, when are you going to settle down? This is what settling down means.
Actually, so
your
true.
roti, kapda, makan, like a basic, decent bank balance which will support you, your lifestyle, the fact that you're financially independent, a roof over your head, that is called being settled. कि बाकी सब तो will come and go. So
very true, very true.